The Mermaid and the Lake of Shining Pearls. In the heart of the ocean, there was a deep, blue, and peaceful lake known as the Lake of Shining Pearls. It was said that a secret lay hidden beneath this lake, one that could only be unlocked by a truly brave heart. In this very lake lived a beautiful and fearless mermaid named Nori. Nori's tail sparkled like silver, and her voice was so sweet that even the fish would stop swimming just to listen to her. But Nori had a wish in her heart. She wanted to discover the secret hidden at the bottom of the lake. One day, Nori noticed a faint light rising from the lake's depths. Surprised, she followed the glowing light downward. The deeper she swam, the colder the water became, and the quieter everything grew. At last, she reached the lake's floor. There she found a large blue pearl glowing brightly. As soon as Nori touched it, the entire ocean lit up. The pearl opened, and a tiny fairy appeared, one who had been trapped inside for many years. The little fairy said, "Nori, you have freed me. Now this lake will forever remain bright, and all the secrets of the ocean will be revealed to you." She gave Nori a special gift, the ability to understand the language of the sea. Now Nori could hear the whispers of the waves, the chatter of the fish, and the secrets carried by the ocean breeze. Nori